Why have you been in such a bad mood lately? Because every time I open the news, there's something horrific and terrifying happening. Oh, you're seriously letting politics like ruin your day? It's not that big of a deal. It's so much beyond politics at this point. What are you talking about?
Oh, I just don't engage with that kind of stuff. I just stay out of it.
How? I just don't support either side. Like, they're both bad, and I just don't like anything to do with it because I don't want to fight with anybody. It's just, can't we just all get along? I don't think either side is claiming to be perfect, but I do think one side is very clearly aligning themselves with some very concerning and dangerous ideologies that we've seen in history before, and I don't feel comfortable just being quiet about it. Well, I mean, it's not impacting me. I can go about my day and not have to think about it or deal with it, so why would I? Because it will. It will absolutely impact you. And even if it didn't, it's kind of nice to give a shit about other people. Yeah, but I love everybody. That's why I just don't want to get involved. How can you say you love everybody and watch them lose their rights or get kicked out of this country or be told that they can't be who they want to be? See, this is exactly why I didn't want to get involved, because now you and I are having animosity and I just don't want to talk about it. Sorry, but staying neutral or staying silent seems just as bad right now.